A flashing green light on your Rogers hub indicates an issue with the upstream connection. The hub is struggling to register with Rogers' network for uploading data. This problem occurs during the upstream registration process, where the hub cannot establish a stable upload path to Rogers' network. Several factors can cause this, including weak signal levels. Signal levels should ideally be between -7 and +7 dBmv. Levels outside this range can cause registration failures. Electromagnetic interference from nearby devices or poor cable shielding can disrupt the signals. While Rogers has released firmware updates, like version 7.2.1.10 for XB7 and XB8 hubs, to improve upstream registration, these issues can still occur, especially during peak usage times. Start by checking the physical connections. Ensure all coaxial cables are securely connected to the hub and the wall outlet. Inspect the cables for any visible damage such as cuts, kinks, or fraying that could affect the signal. The simplest solution is often the most effective. Reboot the hub. Unplug the hub from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds to allow it to fully power down, then plug it back in. This forces the hub to restart and reestablish its connection with the network. Access the hub's admin portal, typically at 192.168.0.1 in your web browser, and check the signal strength levels. Look specifically at the upstream signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR. If this value is consistently below 25 dB, it indicates a signal problem that requires Rogers assistance. Position the hub away from other electronic devices that might cause electromagnetic interference, such as microwaves, cordless phones, or baby monitors. Consider using shielded coaxial cables to further reduce potential interference with the signal. If the flashing green light continues after attempting these troubleshooting steps, contact Rogers technical support. Be prepared to explain the steps you've already tried. They can run remote diagnostics or schedule a technician to inspect the outside line and equipment.